Good morning. I'm Dr. Mehajabeen Fatima, Professor in Electronics and Communication Department, SIRT, Bhopal. SIRT is Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. I am from Department of Electronics and Communication. Today I am starting lab experiment of control system via MATLAB. So this is the list of experiments. Experiment number 1, introduction of MATLAB. Experiment number 2, basic commands of MATLAB. Experiment number 3, linear time invariant system transfer function. Experiment number 4 is polynomial presentation and zero pole gain ZPK for transfer function. Next experiment is experiment number 5, pole zero map for given transfer function. Experiment number 6 is step and impulse response plotting of first order system. Experiment number 7, this is about the plotting of root locus. Experiment number 8, this is about plotting of Nyquist plot. Experiment number 9 is plotting of Bode plot. Experiment number 10 is LTI view, that is linear time invariant view. Now I am starting first experiment, introduction of MATLAB. Actually, this experiment belongs to the control system. Code is EC404. So first experiment is introduction of MATLAB. The aim of this experiment is to introduce the basic commands of MATLAB. The basic commands of the MATLAB. Here the software required is MATLAB. Now first we start with theory, a brief overview of MATLAB. MATLAB is actually abbreviation of matrix laboratory. The matrix, mat is taken from matrix and lab is taken from laboratory. So abbreviation is MATLAB. So the internal programming of MATLAB is C. So when you start MATLAB, the desktop appears in its default layout. The desktop includes following panels. Current folder, it is used for access of files, different files. Next is command window. This is used for entering of command indicated by the prompt double arrow. Next is workspace. This is used to explore the data that you create or import from the files. The arrow key, the upper arrow key and lower arrow keys are used to put the command from upper side and from lower side. With the help of upper key and lower key, the already executed commands can be typed on the command window. Next is command history. This provides last R commands which were executed on command window. Now you can see here, this is the desktop or layout of the MATLAB, default layout of the MATLAB. Now you can see here, this is the command window, the prompt is double arrow. Here the cursor is blinking. This is showing the current directory or current files. You can see all your files here. And this is the command history. The whatever you already executed the commands earlier, all keep, the command history keeps all your earlier executed commands. Now take some example, like in the MATLAB, the plotting is possible. You can say the plot x comma y. This creates a two-dimensional line plot of the data in y versus the corresponding values in x. The next command which we can use is x equal to linspace 0, 2 pi to 30. This command gives the range between 0 to 2 pi and will be giving 30 values between 0 to 2 pi. The next syntax using for the range definition, or if you want to define a range, then you can use this command also, like t equal to 0 is to 0 0.1 is to 100. So this will define a range between 0 and 100 with a distance of 0.1. Some of the commands are like title. This is the title command will add the title in the graph. Next is X label command. X label command will label the X axis. Y label command label the Y axis. Legends, with the help of legends, the axis can be added. Now I want to show one figure here. Like you can see here, this is the figure. This figure is drawn with the help of this command, plot command. And here you can see here, this is the legend. Legend is added and this figure is drawn on x-axis. Nothing is appearing here. So with the help of x label, the x-axis can be labeled. With the help of y label command, the y-axis can be labeled. So these are the basic commands. Thank you, students.